What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a digital decentralized currency. It's used for peer-to-peer transactions. It's used all around the world. And the thing about Bitcoin is that the more Bitcoin that are discovered, the higher the value of the Bitcoin becomes. What is blockchain? Blockchain is just where past and current Bitcoin transactions are held for public record. What does decentralized mean? Um, Decentralized means that there's no middleman, no financial institution that's going to stand in the way of a Bitcoin transaction. It's purely just peer to peer. What is Bitcoin scarcity? Bitcoin scarcity is just a simple fact that the more Bitcoin that are discovered, the higher the value of the Bitcoin becomes. Right now, there's 21 million Bitcoin in existence, and 16.5 million of those are already in circulation. How are new Bitcoins created? Anyone with an internet connection can mine Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. It's just a process of solving not simple, complex mathematical equations. And once you solve those equations, you're awarded a certain amount of Bitcoin. What is block halving? Block halving is just an event that occurs every 4 years where Bitcoin miners say they're used to receiving 4 Bitcoin for solving an equation. After the block halving occurs, they would only receive 2 Bitcoin. So it just cuts that in half. What is confirmation? Confirmation is just when miners from around the world validate a transaction. What is a transaction ID? A transaction ID is just a unique code that is attached to a transaction. Just makes it easier to find later, especially if you have a lot of different transactions going on. What is Block Explorer? Block Explorer is just a web page you go to find different transactions, and you use that by plugging in the transaction ID. And then finally, 3 different ways you can buy Bitcoin. You can buy it through Coinbase, Bittrex, or a Bitcoin ATM.